Hello, my lovely scientists. Welcome to today's revision for science. Today is May 5, 2020. Pay attention and listen carefully so that tomorrow you will bring full mark in your quiz, inshallah. So, the objectives of today are by the end of this lesson, you can say, I can recognize the difference between landforms. I can read maps. I can locate landforms on maps. You can go to this link and watch some landforms and bodies of water. I will put the link down in the description below, or you can take the link from your PowerPoint presentation. Let's review. You can go onto your page 28 from Inspire Science Unit 1. This is about Earth's surface. Earth has many different forms of land and water. A landform is one of the shapes of Earth's surface. The biggest areas of land are called continents. So the biggest areas of land are called continents. Can you tell me what is the name of this landform right here in the picture? It is surrounded by water. Do you remember what it is? Yes, it's an island. Now, these are the 7 continents of our Earth. Again, as we said here, a continent is the biggest areas of land that we have on Earth's surface. We have 7. And this is a map showing the continents and the oceans. So a map shows landforms and shows land on Earth. Some maps have a map key to help you find out more about maps. On page 28, you can find about information about islands. An island is an area of land surrounded by water. Islands can be small or large. Many islands often appear close together in a chain. You can also go to this link to watch more information about islands.
Now, Miss.
Okay, so here we have information about valleys. You can find that also in page 29. Valleys. A valley is a lowland between two mountains or hills. A valley can be deep and narrow or long and wide. So here in this picture, we have different landforms. Now, can you tell me which is the highest landform that you can see in the picture? Can you say the name of the highest landform? Yes, it's a mountain. So we have here many mountains. In between two mountains, there are valleys, which is the lowland between two mountains. That is a valley. Valleys can be deep and narrow or long and wide. So the area between two mountains, it's a valley. We can also find here, we can also find valleys between two hills. Hills is shorter than a mountain. It's not as high as a mountain, but it's also a highland. Let's talk about plains. If you look at this picture in your page 30, you will find information about plains. A plain is land that is wide and flat. It has no hills or mountains. A plain can be a good place for farms. Plains can stretch for miles. That means it could be very, very big, and it's very, very wide and flat. Now let's review about more about plains. Plain has some main characteristics. The main characteristics of plains is that it is lowland. It is flat. That means there are no mountains or hills, and it can stretch for miles. That means that it's very large, very big. Let's do task number 1. We need to write T if the sentence is true or F if the sentence is false. Number 1 says, the mountain is the highest landform. Is that true? Is mountain the highest landform? Yes, it is the highest landform. So it is true. An island is surrounded by water from two sides or from all sides. What is it? It is surrounded by all sides. So this is false. An island is surrounded by water from all sides, not only from two sides. Number 3. A map is a drawing of an area of Earth's surface. Is that what a map is? Is map a drawing of an area of Earth's surface? Yes, it is. So it is true. For task number 2, we will use these 3 words to fill in the spaces. We have plain, hill, and landform. The what is not as high as the mountain? Which one is not as high as the mountain? Is it plain? Is it hill or is it landform? Yes, it is hill. Hill is not as high as a mountain. Now, a what is a flat and wide land that can stretch for miles. Yes, it is plain. Plain is flat and can stretch for miles. Number 3, one of the shapes of Earth's surface is called a landform. A landform is a shape of Earth's surface. Now, you guys, revise the pages in your book, and I'm sure that you're gonna bring a full mark in tomorrow's quiz, inshallah. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe. I love you.